A bold prediction for Cardano ADA, 60 cents. Is that possible? Yeah, I think it absolutely is. It's a matter and function of time. And so we're going to talk about this. There is some analysts making some very bold predictions saying that we could see ADA move up 44% and achieve a 60-cent price per coin mark above what it's at right now, trading in like 42 cents. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. As always, thanks for your support. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below and drop a like. And that's how you tell me that you want me to continue to make Cardano ADA content for you. Would love to hear from you. All right. So with that said, right, crypto analyst makes bold prediction on ADA price. So Lunar social analytics platform Lunar Crush took to Twitter on Friday to ask his followers for bold predictions, and a crypto analyst, Ali, used the opportunity to voice his bold prediction on ADA hitting the 60-cent mark, and that would represent a 44% breakout. And if you look at currently where Cardano is, it's up 12.5, almost 12.5% on the 7-day, and up 4% on the day. And the market is pulling back from what it was earlier today. It was up like 2+% today. But Cardano, you can see, is currently trading at that 42, 43 cent range. If we look at the 1-month chart, what I like about this is look at the steady increase, basically in the last month, the higher highs and higher lows, if you will. So yeah, that's a good looking chart in the last month. A nice progressive, just very systematic kind of move up. And I really love, this is a good looking chart. If you look at the 3-month, been a little bit more volatility, obviously associated here. You've got overall kind of market volatility here. Okay. But you can see from when it bottomed, as I've just showed you, basically, which was about a month ago, and then move up from there is pretty dramatic. In fact, it even looks more dramatic on this chart as you're seeing it roll up from, say, 30 cents all the way to 43 cents, excuse me. And I think, again, a 60-cent, a 60-cent price is not out of the realm of possibility, but there are some things that have to happen. The one thing I would show you, kind of being cautiously optimistic, is daily RSI is approaching overbought 70. The RSI approaching 70 conditions. So ADA bulls might consolidate or pause slightly to catch their breath. Again, look at that chart, right? If you look at this chart kind of on the 1-month chart, what they're saying is the RSI is kind of showing maybe a little bit of overbought. So we might see a consolidation here. So see this consistent rise. We might now consolidate, stay at, say, 40 cents, maybe pull back just a little bit, high 39, 40 cents, and then stay, kind of at a consistent level for a while it consolidates and kind of resets from the RSI standpoint. Let that RSI drop a little bit, right? And so that's something that's interesting to kind of take consideration. But overall, with my opening statement, 60 cents, is that possibility? Absolutely. But I think you have to remember, and you have to always take into consideration also, especially with Cardano and the top blue chips, the macro factor. The macro factor is meaning zoom out, not just looking at Cardano, look at what's going on outside of crypto. Obviously, look at what's going on that's impacting crypto itself. But outside of crypto, we've still got inflation. We still got all of the inflation reports. What's the Fed going to do? All that kind of stuff. There's still a lot of uncertainty out there. But bottom line, 60 cents with 60-cent target price at some point in 23, absolutely. I think that's extremely doable. And it really only represents a 44% move up, which is quite frankly not that much. Last final thought is that there's a lot of consensus out there that says that we will have some sort of a bull run in 23. Remember, we've got the Bitcoin halving event out there in April, kind of May of 24. So we got a lot of positive indicators out there as well. We just have a little bit of that X factor of kind of what's going to happen at the macro view as it relates to some of the negative or bearish, things out there, like inflation, like the Fed, the uncertainty that's being created from those events and things of that nature. We have to sit and watch. But I love what I see Cardano's doing. A nice steady move up on that chart in the last month, higher highs, higher lows, if you will. I think we're up for some consolidation now. Yes, I think that's going to happen. But I think 60 cents, very, very doable. With that said, as always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. I'll see you. Have a good one. Go make some money.